Welcome friends, I'm excited to share with you a productivity game changer, the 12-week year goals template. This concept is inspired by the book The 12-Week Year, Get More Done in 12 Weeks Than Others Do in 12 Months by Brian P. Moran and Michael Lennington. The idea behind it is simple yet powerful. Instead of stretching your goals across an entire year, you focus on shorter, more intense 12-week periods. And with this template, I have made it even easier for you to implement the 12-week year approach in your life. So let's dive into how you can get started with this template. Step 1. Let's begin by looking at the Instructions tab, which serves as your starting point. It also includes the links to the other tabs in the correct sequence to make the navigation as smooth as possible. Step 2. Update your settings, where you will find the option to update the category of goals. If the default categories align with your needs, you can keep them as is. However, if necessary, feel free to customize the categories to suit your specific objectives. A quick note here, avoid changing any of the settings to ensure the template functions correctly. Step 3. Define your quarterly goals. Once you have updated your settings, return to the Instructions tab and proceed to the Quarterly Goals tab. For your convenience, I have included a sample data in this tab to guide you. Here is how it works. Select a category of goals from the drop-down menu. Enter your goals and tasks. Specify the frequency of each task, whether it is one time, weekly, or daily. Set the week. Set your start and end dates. For reference, the date ranges for each quarter are outlined in the Instructions tab. Finally, as you progress, update the status of each goal. Step 4. Track weekly plans. After completing the Quarterly Goals tab, navigate to the Weekly Plan tab. You will notice that your tasks are already populated from what you entered in the Quarterly Goals tab. All you need to do is check them off as you complete them. The beauty of this template is that it automates your progress tracking. As you check off tasks, the system automatically updates your progress as a percentage. Step 4. Track daily plans. For daily habits, switch over to the Daily Habit Tracker tab. Mark your tasks as completed and this will feed into your overall progress as well. Step 5. Monitor your results in the Dashboard tab. Once you have input your goals and tracked your weekly and daily progress, visit the Dashboard tab to view your results. Here's what you'll see. 1. The total count of each goal category is updated automatically. And 2. The percentage progress for each goal category by quarter is calculated for you in real time. All these charts are created from underlying pivot tables which are built using the quarterly goals data. To create them, simply select the data, go to Insert, Pivot Table, and choose the relevant fields under the rows and the values section as demonstrated. Next, select the pivot table. Click on the Pivot Table Analyze, Chart, choose your preferred chart type, and customize the settings as needed. I hope you find this 12-week year template helpful. If you are interested in purchasing this template, click the link in the description box below and subscribe to my channel to learn on how to build this template and many more. Thank you and happy goal setting.